Hi guys, my name is Damilola. In today's series, we'll be making meatball stew. Let's get started. First, we are going to turn on our stove. Yeah. Turn it on. Don't put it to medium heat. Just let it be low. After I've turned on my stove, I'm going to add my pepper. Now in this pepper that I've blended, I have onion, tomatoes, bell peppers, habanero. That's all. So I'm going to add it to my pot. I'm going to add a little bit of water. Now I'm going to allow it to be cooking. Now we are going to make our meatball. I have ground beef, add everything to the bowl. Now I'm going to add my seasoning. I'm adding ground pepper. If you don't like ground pepper, don't add it. I will add my curry powder, seasoning powder, garlic powder, salt. Not a lot of salt because it's many, but don't let it to be too much. I'll add my breadcrumb, homemade breadcrumb. I made it myself. I will add my two eggs. Now just mix it with our hands. Now I add oil to my pan. This is it. I add oil. So I'm going to now form my meatball into shape. I'm using my ice cream scoop. This is how it's going to look. See? I've been preheating my oven to 350. Leave a space. I'm going to show you the rest when I'm done with it. Now I've finished making my meatball. You see how it looks? It looks so good. Now I'm going to put it in my oven. Now we'll go to our pepper. You see it's dry. I'm going to add my tomato paste. This is it, tomato paste. Now I'm going to mix everything together. I will be adding my seasoning. The seasoning that I'm using is the one that I use for the ground beef. So if you watch it very closely, you will see that it's the one that I use for it. I will not add salt now. I will add salt later when I add my ground beef, so that I can taste it for the salt, because in our house we don't like eating too much salt. I will add my olive oil to it. Now I'm adding a little bit of water to it. Make sure it's low. Don't put it on high heat though, because it's going to burn. Now it's done. Finally, you see how it looks. This is it. It's so delicious, so tasty. I've tasted it. Now, if you want to use this meatball stew, you can eat it with rice, beans, macaroni, spaghetti, indomie, eba, amala, yam, even bread. Even you can use it to drink pap also. So it varies. Anything you like, anything goes. So thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate you for watching me every time, for supporting my video, for supporting my YouTube channel. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. And I would like to say thank you. God bless you. See you next time. Bye.